Hey travelers! Are you tired of lugging around heavy, clunky suitcases? Let's face it, traveling is stressful enough without having to wrestle with your luggage. That's why in today's video, we'll uncover the top 5 best lightweight luggage for international travel. Whether you're off on a dreamy vacation or a business trip, the right luggage can make all the difference. Let's jump in. When it comes to choosing luggage, it's not just about the weight. Durability, ease of use, and smart organization features are equally important. We've done the research, so you don't have to. Here are 5 incredible options that combine all these features and more. Our first pick is the Delsey Paris Helium Aero. Made with 100% polycarbonate, it's built to last while keeping things lightweight. Its glossy metallic finish isn't just stylish, it resists cracks and breaks. Need extra packing space? This suitcase expands by up to 2 inches. Plus, the 4 double spinner wheels make it a dream to maneuver through crowded airports. Best for family vacations or longer trips when you need extra durability and space. For business travelers, the Level 8 Grace carry-on is a game-changer. It's airline approved, compact, and comes with a built-in laptop compartment for added convenience. The ABS Plus PC shell ensures it's both durable and lightweight. And with 42 liters of packing capacity, you can carry all your essentials without checking a bag. Best for business trips or anyone who needs to travel with electronics securely. Next up is the Coolife Expandable Suitcase. Its textured ABS Plus PC material resists scratches, keeping it looking as good as new trip after trip. What sets it apart is its innovative 2-wheel technology for smoother handling, plus a TSA-approved lock for added security. Best for travelers who value style, functionality, and durability. If you're planning an extended or international trip, the Samsonite Freeform Hardside is your go-to luggage. It's ultralight yet super strong, designed to withstand rough travel conditions. Its multi-directional spinner wheels ensure effortless movement, and the recessed TSA combination lock provides top-notch security. Best for long-haul travelers who prioritize durability and convenience. Finally, for budget-conscious travelers, we have the Amazon Basics 30-inch hardside luggage. It offers great value with its scratch-resistant ABS shell, expandable capacity, and multiple compartments for organized packing. Despite its low price point, it doesn't compromise on reliability. Best for travelers looking for an affordable yet dependable option for large packing needs. There you have it, our top 5 lightweight luggage picks for international travel. Whether you're jet-setting for work or play, the right suitcase can make your journey smoother and stress-free. Which one of these caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And before you pack your bags, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with fellow travelers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy travels!